Hi, this is Siddharth from Infotech Lead. Microsoft announced the launch of Microsoft Kaizala, a mobile-only product designed for large groups communications and work management. Let's now look at how the app improves mobility and supports collaboration among large user groups.
Hi, my name is Tikam Goyal and I'm a program manager on Kaizala product team. Today I'm going to demo the new product that we are launching today, Microsoft Kaizala. This is a mobile app for enabling communication in large groups and for work management. Not only within an organization, but also to connect with the extended supply chain like suppliers, partners, vendors. The first thing that you will see about this app is the familiarity, where the chat canvas looks very familiar to common messaging apps, other messaging apps, and so the learning curve for a new user is very less. The amount of time it takes to learn this app will be very less because it's all familiar. However, there are many differences with differentiators in this app. Apart from being able to do one-on-one or group chat, there are other type of group communication that are enabled in this. First is the hierarchical groups. That means that inside you can have other groups as subgroups. So in this example, this is everyone at Contoso demo group that has been created, which has subgroups like South Zone, Central Zone, East Zone, Mumbai region, etc. So literally you can create a hierarchy of the whole organization as per their communication needs and have millions of users in this group setup. So I'll take other example which is different here is differentiator is concept of Kaizala actions. So you can send announcements to the whole organization like that enables top-down communication to large number of people without cluttering their chat canvas. So it's a controlled top-down communication if you want to send out information to large number of people in the field or in the organization. Then there are other actions like job. So you can assign a job to somebody. So if I want to create a job, for example, please create a presentation for meeting next week, and I can assign the deadline for this. So let's say I want to do it by this Friday. I can assign it to specific person in the team. So let's say I assign it to one of the team members here. And then there are privacy controls here, whether you want as a sender or creator of the job, you want the results on those visible only to you or all the people in the group. So I can just send the job here, and it sends this action card, which is more like a mini app, and people, whoever gets this job can complete the job, and as an owner or creator of the job, I can track the progress, whether it is complete or it is in progress. Other things, actions that come out of the box include being able to do quick poll. So if you're doing a poll in your organization, you can create a quick poll as to, let's say, where should we have our off-site. So let's say I put 2 or 3 options here, like Delhi or Mumbai or Bangalore, and I can set when I want the responses by. So let's say I want the responses by end of this week and particular time frame, and I can just send it, and it goes to the whole group where members of this group can respond on particular option, and all the results will be aggregated. So for example, I can respond as let's say Mumbai. I submit response, so automatically the responses will be aggregated, and there is no need for manually analyzing the text results that would otherwise happen. Another example of Kaizala action card would be survey, where it's not just multi-choice questions, but you can get more detailed information from the field that otherwise you would normally collect via paper. So paper option can completely be enabled for mobile only workers to collect the information from the field. So I just put test survey here, or let me put it field survey, and I call it as monthly survey. Next, and I can add questions here. What are the questions I want to ask in the survey? So there is option for doing multiple choice, text response, numeric captions, or image upload. In multiple choice, I can ask like which region, and let's say I just specify north, south, and let's say east, west. So that's one question I can ask. If I want multiple choice, then I can just enable this, but like multi-select, but this I want more like a radio button. Other thing would be, let's say I want numeric response, like forecast sales for this month. So where numeric option will be there, and I can add one more question where I want text response, like any comments done, and I can, let's say I add just 3 questions. Next, and I can say when I want the information by. I leave it default. Again, results visible to everybody or just me. Whether I allow multiple response from single user, right? So one person can enter multiple times. There could be situations like that. Or I want to collect the response location of the person. So if I turn it on, send, and I just send it. This is as a sender. As a responder, I can just click on take survey, where since I asked for location, first it will take my consent for privacy reasons that a location will be sent along with this response. So it says takes the location, current location, then starts the survey. So I can answer the question like which region I am from. That's in north. Forecast for this month, let's say I enter 10,000, and then any text, enter text like let's say need support from field manager. Next, so I can just review what my responses are and finally submit it. And as you can see, all the responses from different people, different members will be aggregated in one single place, and I can have a summary view of that, how people have responded. So this is a group of 67 people where I have sent the responses. Only I have sent responses. I see 1 out of 67 have responded. If I want, I can go and see more details. What are the details that was sent by this person? As more responses come in, it will expand the view accordingly. So we talked about hierarchical groups. The second group model type that I would show here is a hub and spoke group. For example, this is a hub and spoke group where hub as an entity can interact or can send messages or gather information from multiple spokes. Spokes do not talk to each other, but hub can talk to them as if it's a one-on-one chat, but at the same time can gather or aggregate information from multiple spokes. So in this case, for example, I can I'm a subscriber here. So as a subscriber in a public or hub and spoke group, I can share feedback or I can express interest or refer someone. So if I select one action like share feedback, which is an action in this public group, I can, this action has been created by Microsoft Kaizala launch hub and spoke group admins, and as a subscriber I am responding to it, where I'm just saying what is the event location, whether I was satisfied with this, very satisfied, and how would you agree that attending has motivated to either recommend, try, purchase or deploy Microsoft products and services. So let's say I select strongly agree. Okay, did you achieve your objectives? Yes. And finally, if there is any comments, so let's just was great. sent, and I as a subscriber have sent one-on-one response to the hub. But hub will be able to aggregate all the responses from multiple spokes and be able to see the reports in the portal, Kaizala management portal. Last thing that I would want to show here is concept of extensibility in Kaizala, which is there are built-in Kaizala actions that that are available like poll, survey, job, but it is also possible to create custom actions to meet the specific need of the specific needs of the organization. For example, here there is one custom survey, custom action called WTS survey that has been created by my organization, and that's why I'm able to see this in my Discover. And similarly, this is another one as a test that has been created. So I can just pin it to my action palette. I've already done that. So this is an example of custom action that I can use, and some other example of custom will be like I can create custom actions for integrating with my CRM or other ERP system or with my HR system. So that way organizations will be able to connect with their extended value chain to gather the information from the field and put it inside their ERP system and complete their whole business purpose.